walking while mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, be walking while mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, be walking while mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, be walking while mesmerized by these lines. I'm so high, be walking while mesmerized.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, zoom this! Xiaomi 14 Pro! This is ultra wide, let's go! 1.7, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15! Lots of noise, okay? That's the 15. Now for the Honor Magic 6! 2, 1, 1.7, 3.7, 6 and 10. This is maximum 10. Maximum 10. Finally, the OnePlus12. 1.9, 2.9, 3, 4.6, 6.7, 9, 13, 17. Wow, 18. This is 18, I think. For this part, OnePlus 12 has the best zoom. What do you think? Last for the Xiaomi 14 Pro, 1.1, 1.5, 2.3, 2.9, 4.8, 5.6. Let's go to way to 15. Okay, so this is the 15 times max. Lots of noise. Cannot differentiate the text. The numbers are okay. Alright, Honor Magic 6 Pro. Let's zoom 1.1, 2, 4.6, 7.9, 10 times. Okay, this is 10 times. Less noise, but on 10 times. Okay, and that's Honor Magic 6 Pro. Alright, now let's just do the zoom. So this ultra wide, 1.1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 13.4. The maximum is 18 times. Okay, 18 times. That's it. Lots of noise, but yeah, just lots of noise. Not clear. Details lost. 4K 60. That's my cameraman Aislinn. Hello, Aislinn. That's Aislinn. All right. And the default stabilization now let me run. Okay. Let me know who has the best stabilization. All right. Ultra steady, but for the fucking Honor, it does not have. 快点回来。Okay, this is the ultra mode, ultra steady mode. But please note that Honor, they don't have that kind of ultra steady mode, so just use the default. Okay.
Let's go.
All right. Features I like most on this 3 phones: movie mode. All right. So you can see this kind of full blur background. Makes like a movie or something. Anyway, let's check out. Let's see who has the best movie mode. Who has the best bokeh effect. All right.
Quick.
Let's see who has the best of the year. That's it. All right, 4K 30 for the front, Okay. To be honest, these three brands are not that focused on the front. All of the three are very, very bad, to be honest. Overexposed on the sky. This. Okay, I'm gonna run a little bit. Listen, 你不用给我。Okay. I'm running a little bit. Let's see the stabilization, how to handle it. Okay, I'm entering into the dark environment. Okay, let's see if it's any good. Okay, all right. Selfie cameras for many brands, Chinese brands. I mean, the selfie camera is always not that good. I don't know why they don't pay attention to that, because the front camera is also very important, right? Okay, but anyway, let's just test to see who has the best stabilization, best quality, best dynamic range of the three. Okay, and okay, now I'm like in this kind of backlight situation. Just let me know. Okay, still I'm gonna run a little bit. Let me know who has the best. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Okay, all right, 4K, 30 FPS. All right, let me know. I just handhold it. What is this? Okay, noise reduction now. Okay, I just turned on the noise reduction for the Honor Magic6 Pro. Alright, but maybe I should turn off, because the other phones does not have that function. Or I just use the default mode anyway. So let me just go on a little bit. Let me know who has the best stabilization. Let me know who has the best stabilization. And I've just done lots of, such camera comparisons. So please subscribe, because I always do such videos, unprocessed, unedited, just pure honesty.